I found out how to stop wasting summer like an idiot and actually be productive. You know that feeling when you reach the end of summer break and realize you did absolutely nothing useful? 2 months gone, and your biggest achievement is losing brain cells and unlocking new levels of digital stupidity? Yeah, it makes you feel like an idiot. And most people think the problem is laziness or lack of motivation, but nope, that's not it. The real issue is that you have zero structure and treat summer like one long nap. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 things you should be doing to finally use your summer like someone who has a brain and not start the next semester already behind. So let's get started. 7. Do a summer reset. Listen here, you disorganized little gremlin. If your summer starts with a room that looks like a crime scene and a desk messier than your love life, don't act surprised when your productivity is in the toilet. You need a summer reset, idiot. Use that first week to clean your damn room, organize your desktop, delete the 73 useless apps you've never opened, and take a long, hard look at your goals, assuming you have any. Trust me, once your space isn't screaming, "I've given up," your brain will finally shut up and let you focus. 6. Learn 1 new skill per month. If you spend more than 3 hours a day on social media watching people dance and still have the nerve to say you don't have time to learn something new, you're an idiot. Instead of deep frying your last 2 brain cells watching dumb trends, pick 1 freaking skill that won't make future you hate you, like video editing, basic coding, advanced Excel, Canva design, or automating your life with Notion. Just 30 days, you distracted little chicken nugget. And if you actually survive week 1 without quitting, congrats! You already outsmarted 90% of the lazy whiners out there. 5. Follow the 3 F's rule. Every day, do something for fitness, future, and fulfillment. That means move your body, even if it's just flailing around like a confused chicken. Then do 1 thing that'll make your future self not want to punch you in the face, study, work, build something. And no, fulfillment doesn't mean binge watching Netflix until your brain melts out your ears. We're talking real, recharging fun like reading a book, drawing badly, dancing like a crackhead in your room, or touching some damn grass. Do all 3 F's every day and boom, balance. You might even stop being a lazy, whining disappointment. Try it for a week. If nothing changes, at least you'll be a fitter idiot. 4. Wake up early and stick to a schedule. Oh, you want to be successful but still wake up at 11 a.m. like some unemployed squirrel? Get real, idiot. Waking up early, yeah, like 6:30 a.m., not whenever your lazy ass feels like it, actually gives you a fighting chance to not die a useless potato. You think billionaires are hitting snooze 5 times and rolling out of bed at noon? No, they're out there conquering the world while you're drooling on your pillow, dreaming about becoming rich with 0 discipline. Grow up, you soggy tortilla, and don't just wake up early like a zombie and scroll TikTok for 2 hours. Make a damn schedule, a real one, like a functioning human. Set a morning routine that punches your lazy brain in the face and screams, "Wake up, loser!" You don't need to do yoga on a cliff or whisper affirmations to your coffee. Just stop sleepwalking through life like an idiot. Wake up, make a plan, stick to it. 3. Plan your study blocks in advance. Stop acting like a lost toddler thinking, "I'll study when I feel like it." No, you won't. You never feel like it. That's why you're stuck in this mess, you idiot. And now that you're on summer break, you've got no excuses. No classes, no deadlines, you're just your fried little brain wasting every hour of the day. What you need is a real plan. Pick the subjects you're bad at or the ones that almost murdered you last semester. Yeah, math and bio, I see you. Block exact study times like 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. History, chapter 4. None of that vague, "I'll study later" BS. Be specific. Your brain needs a map, you idiot. And don't be a maniac trying to study for 6 hours straight. Take breaks like a functioning human, or you'll end up back on YouTube watching raccoons open trash cans. Use Pomodoro if you have to. But here's the key. Set deadlines. Real ones. Finish math by Thursday. Essay outline done by Monday. That kind of stuff. But if you're sitting there thinking, "Okay, but I still don't know how to study, how to build a routine," calm your confused little brain, because I already solved that for you. I built a system that's helping students around the world study 80% less and still get top grade. It's the same system I used to get into the #1 university in Latin America, competing for one of just 12 spots out of thousands with 0 prep course, 0 private tutor, just this strategy. And the best part? It works even if you think you're a bad student or just not smart enough. So don't be an idiot. Click the link in the description and watch my free masterclass where I break down the exact study system that can skyrocket your grades without sacrificing your free time like a fool. 2, work on your secret project. Oh, look, it's you again, sitting there like a clueless Disney princess waiting for the perfect moment to start that magical little project you've been talking about for 3 years. One day I'll launch my YouTube channel. One day I'll write that book. One day I'll build my app. Shut up! That one day isn't gonna fall from the sky while you're lying in bed like a microwaved burrito watching strangers dance on TikTok. You're on summer break, idiot. You literally have the time. No one's asking you to go viral or publish a bestseller in 2 weeks. Just start. Open a blank doc, sketch out that idea, record that first awkward video. Nobody cares if it sucks at the beginning, it's supposed to. The only difference between people who do things and people like you is that they stop waiting for motivation and start taking action, even if it's messy. So stop being a lazy excuse-making potato. This summer could be the start of something awesome, or just another season you pissed away doing absolutely nothing. 1. Build your summer map. Wake up, you decorative couch ornament. You need a summer map, not some Pinterest fantasy board, but an actual game plan so you don't exit this break dumber than you entered. And no, sleep more and maybe go outside aren't goals, you idiot. I'm talking real structure. Set some goals, write down daily habits you actually want to build, like reading, not reloading Instagram, and make a weekly plan so your days don't blur together into one long, lazy brain fart. And don't forget the fun stuff. Even you, the procrastinating Disney princess, deserve to enjoy life without doom scrolling into a digital coma. So here's what to do. Make a list of fun things you actually want to try. Not vague crap like have fun, you idiot. I mean real stuff. Like bake those viral cinnamon rolls. Watch that weird documentary your friend recommended. Finally learn the cup song from Pitch Perfect or build a blanket fort and rewatch childhood movies. Stick it on your wall planner or phone. That way, when your bored little goblin brain starts whining, you'll have an instant menu of things that don't involve rotting on TikTok. Oh, send this video to that one friend who's even more lost this summer than you. You know exactly who I'm talking about, and I hope to see you in the next video. If you don't show up, well, you're even dumber than I thought.